believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest.
Section 1. Forward to walk. Right, left. Rocking chair. Right forward rock, recover. Back rock, recover. Right forward step, left behind touch. Back lock step, left, back, lock, back. Facing 12 o'clock. Section count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. Half turn shuffle step. Right half turn right foot. Step, together step. Left forward step, right pivot. Half turn left foot, forward. Doroshi step, right diagonal right foot. Forward, lock, forward. Left diagonal left foot, forward, lock, forward. Facing 12 o'clock. Section to count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 3. Right foot, side rock, recover, together left foot, side, twist, heel, left toe, left, right foot, back rock, recover, side, quarter turn cellar step, left foot behind, left quarter turn side, left diagonal heel touch, facing 9 o'clock. Section 3 count. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. Left pull, together, right foot, cross, left foot, back, side. Left foot, cross, chasse step, right foot, side, together. Right foot, side rock, recover. Right foot behind, left quarter turn, left forward, right foot together touch, facing 6 o'clock. Section 4 count. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and. Full count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8.